What's happening, everyone? Good morning. Got my coffee for sure. Alright, today we're going to go over a quick tutorial on the EasyBlog system, which is the main blogging system of the Joomla platform. It's one of my personal favorite blogging platforms, especially when it comes to the Joomla system. Unless I'm going to use something to the core, I really only use Joomla. So here we are, or EasyBlog. So here we are logging into the back end of Joomla. In this case, I've already installed it. I'm not going to go over the installation process. But if you go up here to the top, you go to Components EasyBlog, you're going to find the EasyBlog posts, which is basically all the articles behind the EasyBlog software. In here you can see that all these posts here are basically the articles that have been posted on the front end of the website. Just taking a look, you can see, if you actually go to the front end of the website, you can see these. But here you have the title of the article. You have which category the blog is in. So these ones are, the last couple have been video. This is a web design blog. This is a tech blog. All these are the different blogs. I can actually show you on the front end real quick. So going down here, we have our different blog departments. So that's a big powerful feature of EasyBlog, is that it lets you break out these categories. If I actually go over here to the side, you can see that these categories have been broken out. So we have the company blog, the tech blog, the web design blog, and then when we go back to our posts, you can see that these posts are able to be categorized. So guys, why don't we go into one? We'll go into one that was actually posted recently about Google marking non-HTTPS. So just taking a look at this real quick, it goes back into almost a standard Joomla template, text editor, I should say. You can see here you have your WYSIWYG, what you get, what you see editor. Everything here is pretty standard. Oh, run out of it. Everything, we got our links, a few images, and we go here, we can update posts. Now another thing that EasyBlog has is all these SEO features. So we're just going to take a quick look here. If you go over to the SEO, you can see that here's our meta description, here's some of our keywords, and then going back, this is back to the categories. You can see that we've listed in our categories that we need, and a few tags. So guys, just going back to the front of the website, why don't we take a look at this article? I'm going to our web design blog. Here's the actual article, guys, on the front end that most visitors will see. And here it is. Here's our tags. Here's some of our other relevant searches we can look at later. But yeah, guys, that's just the first tutorial about EasyBlog. Just kind of wanted to give you the real rundown on how the EasyBlog is kind of built into the Joomla, and then some of the features as far as how the posts work and how the categories are laid out, so you can lay them out again with the front end of your website. Super powerful tool for blogging in 2018. It's basically what we install on all our clients Joomla websites. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Hope you have a good day.